Come here, Marcus.
Come here. Hey, come here.
Come on. Got a surprise. We got a surprise.
Oh, what's this?
What is it? Oh no! What is it? Oh! What is it?
What's that? He's like, take it out. Okay, come on.
Look at the face. I know. I was thinking I should have took it out, but I'm like, nah. I know he likes the box.
Wait.
Oh, he's oh, of course.
Hold on, buddy.
Play with the box. It's a dump truck, a garbage truck. What is it? Oh. I know, they really put it in there good. Marcus!
Wait, relax.
Look at the face.
What is it? Dropping it out of airplanes? Okay. I know, buddy. I know.
Better take the things out.
You gonna help? Yeah. 1 second. Oh. Oh, there you go. There's a little man. A little man. I know. I'm sorry. I don't know why they. One second.
What is it? What's stuck?
I don't know. They got it bolted down for some reason.
Oh, it's the dump trucks. The barrels. Maybe they're supposed to be in there like that, no?
No. Go on the back like that.
Oh, you got the garbage truck. Oh, Marcus, look. Marcus. Oh, there he goes.
Bye-bye.
Come show me. Come show me.
Let's put the man inside. Like that. And close that. Look. See? See him inside? No, you don't want him in. Okay, there you go. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Marcus. All right.